Hi everybody, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So yesterday and today I have been making some keychains and I want to share them with you. I watched a video made by Put Some Bling on It, and I will link her video down below. She does a tutorial on these, really easy to follow. So I decided to try my hand and I made some and I wanted to share them with you guys. So the first one I did is this red marbleized one. You see the marble in the beads is so pretty. And I did some gold and then some solid red in between. Now she used bead caps. I didn't have any bead caps, so what I did was I just put the red bead in between these. And you got the keychain part on the end. And then at the top you have the lobster claw where you can click it to either your pant loop or a keychain. You know, if you would just want to click it on there. On this one, I did put a gold bell. And I put a little unicorn, which has red in it. Little unicorn charm. And this little gold piece, which I got in an embellishment box. The unicorn I got in the embellishment box too from a friend. So that is the first one. I just love these red beads in the marble. They look like marble inside. They're really, really pretty. So I did that one. This one is a yellow and black, like a bumblebee. The middle bead has some silver bling look to it. The keychain on the end. And then at the top, I have this little dangle, which I also got in the embellishment box. Really cute. I don't know where they come from, but they're cute. And that's a black dangle. Then I put a gold bell. It's hard to share these because they're little. Gold bell. And then a bumblebee charm. So let me see if I can get it so you guys can see it. It's so tiny. Oh, man. Come on. My fingers don't want to work. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see that? It's a little bee. So that's the bumblebee one. And these are all, this is using all the beads that we have been picking up from Hobby Lobby on clearance and Michael's. So I did that one. Then here's a black and silver. And I have a heart bead at the bottom. And the keychain. And then I did the stripes. And then I did the white bead with the heart. Black in the middle, and then again I repeated it. At the top of this one I had a little bit of wire that was extra, and this had some movement, and I didn't want it to have the movement, so I took some velvet ribbon and I just kind of rolled it at the top, so you have a nice piece of black velvet at the top. And then I have this silver dangle, which came in the embellishment box. And I also put on this one a little cross, silver cross. And I also put this little, I don't know what these are called. You know, the things that are black and white at the same time in the circle, they're in a circle. Some type of Chinese or Oriental yin yang, something, yin yang or something like that. That's what that is on there. So that's the black and white one. And then this one is the mermaid one. And I did a purple keychain ring at the bottom. And then I did these really pretty beads. They have yellow and blue and green, and they're just really pretty. They look just like a mermaid. So I did that one. I did the purple, solid purple, then this one, solid purple in there. And in between, I have some different beads, purple and these little ones here. And at the top, I put, again, I had a little bit of leftover wire. So I put this purple, it's a kind of a Halloween trim thing, put that there. And then I put the little mermaid tail, and these are by Paper Studio. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Isn't that pretty? It's got purple and blue in it. And then, of course, I put a bell because I love when they have that jingle sound. So that one there. Here's a purple and stripe and silver. And at the top of this one, I put some little glasses. Can you see those? I don't know if you can see them. And then I put this little dangle thing, which also was in the embellishment box. It's a little purple flower thing. And then I put this little rose. And that's at the top of that one. I know I did a lot, you guys. So this is the teal and gold. Or I should say mint green, because it's more like mint green. It's my favorite color. And then I did some gold in between, the gold ring at the bottom. And at the top, I did a unicorn head, which is also Paper Studios from Hobby Lobby. And then I put this little dangle, which I got in an embellishment box. Same color. And then I put a little gold bell because I have the gold. The only thing is I didn't have any gold jump rings. So there are some silver in here, but I'm sure it doesn't matter. I'll have to pick up some gold jump rings. But this one's really pretty. I love that color. My favorite color. And then the last one is this one here, and it's peach color and black. The beads in the middle kind of have, when you move them, sometimes they look black, sometimes they look like they're silver. They're kind of like an iridescent. They're really pretty. And then at the top of this one, I just put a silver bell and this heart charm. So that's that one. I had so much fun, you guys. This was, like I said, really a lot of fun. And I'm happy with the way they came out. And I want to do some more of the other ones that I did with the seam binding at the bottom. I think I'll do a few of those next time. And I also, I'm going to be working on some more chunky charms as well. So I'm having lots of fun with the beads. And hoping that my aunt can use these in her shop and maybe sell them for me. So we'll see. I'm going to bring it up to her. I was going to make bracelets, but she has someone else in the shop making bracelets and jewelry. So I thought maybe I could just do keychains and chunky charms. You know, because I don't want to take business away from someone else. I wouldn't want that to happen to me. So she did ask me for some cards. So I'm going to be making some cards to put in the shop. But I'm also going to be asking her about the keychains and the dangle charms, or the chunky charms, and see if she can sell any of these for me. So that's it, you guys. But I've been having so much fun. Thank you to everybody who bought D-stashes today. I do have one D-stash left. It is the La La Land Lot 1 on my last video that I did for D-stashing. It's the only thing I have left. And that's it for D-stashes for a little while for me. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. God bless. Have a really nice evening, and we will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.